This is Scott Becker with the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast. Today's discussion is United, Tempus, Carvana, Lululemon, and more. So here are 5 stories that we're following today. First, Lululemon dropped 3%. It has largely struggled since one of my closest friends stopped wearing as much Lululemon clothing. We'll see how that goes. Second, Tempus AI and Carvana both jumped almost 10% yesterday. Tempus is driven by the brilliant entrepreneur Eric Lefkowski. Carvana, it's hard to tell whether they're scheming or playing a true game. Who knows? Some of the shorts think they're screwing around. Third, Compass, the real estate firm, jumped almost 20% yesterday. Of course, my favorite broker is my sister, Lynn Wise at Properties. Fourth, the Biden administration is handing out loans to some of its favorite people and financing guarantees to Rivian and others, like they're on the last legs of administration. They've handed out guarantees in the last couple of days and loans to Rivian of about $7 billion, is the rumor, 7-point-something billion dollars. It's really obnoxious behavior. Even Vivek Ramaswamy has said it's obnoxious behavior, which I don't really take much of that, but it really is obnoxious behavior on the last moments of administration. Finally, fifth, United Healthcare is down about 5% today as they are showing their medical care ratios are up. Their revenues missed targets by a little bit. So even though their earnings did well, and even though they're going to do 450 plus billion in revenues next year, their stock's down about 5% in the news. Those are 5 of the stories we're watching today. On a personal level, we've had a couple bad days of eating. We're working hard today to repair that. Thank you for listening to the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast. Thank you very, very much.
Hey, I'm Ryan Reynolds. Recently, I asked Mint Mobile's legal team if big wireless companies are allowed to raise prices due to inflation. They said yes. And then when I asked if raising prices technically violates those onerous 2-year contracts, they said, "What the f*** are you talking about, you insane Hollywood ass?" So to recap, we're cutting the price of Mint Unlimited from $30 a month to just $15 a month. Give it a try at mintmobile.com/switch.
$45 upfront payment equivalent to $15 per month. New customers on first 3-month plan only. Taxes and fees extra. Speed slower above 40 gigabytes. See details.